It's important to know the shortcuts in Excel related to working with columns. In my opinion, this is a fundamental Excel skill and something that you'll use on a daily basis. The quickest way to insert a column in Excel is to use the Ctrl+Spacebar shortcut to highlight the column to the right of where you'd like to insert the column. Let's do this for column I. Then hold Ctrl+Shift and press the plus key to insert a new column. You can repeat this action of holding Ctrl and Shift and hit the plus key in order to keep inserting more columns. Similarly, if you want to delete a column, you just need to highlight it and then press and hold the Control key and then hit the negative sign. Hiding columns in Excel can be achieved by using the Ctrl+0 shortcut. Let's try this with column I. We can use the Ctrl+Spacebar shortcut to highlight column I and then use the Ctrl+0 shortcut to hide it. At any given point, we can also identify whether there are any hidden columns or rows in our worksheet by selecting anywhere on the worksheet and then pressing and holding Alt, and then also at the same time pressing the semicolon function. This will highlight the hidden rows and columns in our worksheet. To undo the last action of hiding a column, we can use Ctrl+Z. Finally, if we want to move a column, we simply highlight it again using the Ctrl+Spacebar shortcut, and then if we hover to the edge of the selection, we will then see 4 black directional icons. This means that if we click in that area, hold it, and then drag it elsewhere, we'll be able to move it. Let's try this for column I. If we highlight the entire column I, hover to the edge of the column, and then click and hold and drag it, and move it elsewhere in the sheet, we'll be prompted as to whether or not we want to override the contents of the column where we're moving the data. However, in this case, we want to keep the existing columns in the table and just move the location of the selling price column. In order to achieve this, we need to hold the Shift key when we are dragging the column. Then, when we move the column holding Shift and let go, the column will move locations and shift the other column that was in the way and move it to the right. This will not delete or override any data in the Excel worksheet. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.